No, you can't watch that right now. She's crazy. Hey, no, get down.
Don't be naughty.
No, are you crazy? You can't go up there. See?
Hey.
She threw the cup.
Kiss, Kaya, kiss.
Kiss.
Do the other one. Mwah. That's a headbutt. Do the one.
No, stay down, please.
The one Daddy showed you.
Can you show wait, no, don't pull that. Show Akong what a peacock does. What does a peacock do?
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, peacock.
That's what it says? It says, right? Oh, that's funny.
Dance.
You need the music.
Oh.
Jump.
Yeah.
Can you do the kiss again?
Kiss. Do a kiss.
High five. She always waits for the other person.
High five.
Can you high five Shirley, Ai?
Where's my...
Good.
Tell her to do the kiss again.
Akong high five.
Okay.
Yay.
Do the kiss.
Uh-oh.
Do the kiss.
Oh, dance.
You gotta play some music.
The other kiss. The other kiss.
No, Jess taught her. He was after she was eating his food. He taught her how to do this for the food.
Yeah.
Akong, the picture that you drew today. Show Akong.
What's
Wow, hey, you are.
So talented.
Oh.
Finger painting. Chew with your teeth.
Hee 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 hee.